just got done cleaning my house, and my husband gets off work. We're gonna go run some errands, so I'm gonna slap a little bit of makeup on my face, not too much, just enough to feel less dead, I guess, since I hardly go out into public. But I still wear makeup even when I don't leave the house because I'm weird, and I just enjoy the process of putting it on and seeing the transformation like so many people do. But I'm gonna do that today, and I'm not sure what type of eye look I want to do. That's always the hardest part because everything else is just routine. But eye look. I wish I could ask you guys, what look would you want to see me do? But I can't, so I just have to channel you guys' thoughts. Just kidding, with the NYX Pore Filler Primer today. This is one of my favorites. I'm going through it pretty quickly. Don't need to use a lot because I don't put this all over the face. The pore filling primer, I just put it where I feel my pores are the most prominent, which is in the center of my face. But honestly, with my new skincare regimen and everything, they are a lot less prominent than they used to be, so that's awesome. I'm gonna have a new skincare video coming up soon for you guys where I'm just talking about the routines I've been doing and a little more depth and just seeing how my skin has progressed. It definitely is. Just, you need to have patience. It takes a long time to see progress because your skin cell turnover takes about a month, roughly. And most of us just want to see immediate results with our skin or with anything. It's kind of human nature. You want instant gratification when you go to the gym or you go on a diet or you start a new skincare routine, but that's just not how it works. These things take time. So remember, if you're trying a new product out and it's not working right away, don't get discouraged. Just give it like a full month, or I usually go through the full product. Unless it irritates you or anything like that, then obviously don't continue to use it. But I'll usually finish the whole product and then decide if I want to keep using it or not. But anyway, don't let me get sidetracked here. I definitely will. Alright, so this is the Loreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer that I'm always using in shade 320 Porcelain, and I'm going to go in with concealer first and just kind of try to conceal, obviously. You guys hear my dog? He wants to come in. Mischief. He's been in here with me all day. I put him out so I can record because he likes to come in, out, in, out, in, out. Well, so weird. Way to put on your I always have to help him up on the bed. He can't jump up by himself. Or can. Well, he's sitting up there with the cat, so Say hi to the people. Hi, people. He's so done. Okay, so now that I'm white as a ghost, this concealer shade is not my shade. It's a shade I use for brightening the under eye or center of the face, but I figured I'd put it down first and just try to neutralize all the hyperpigmentation and redness, discoloration, everything I don't want to peek through my foundation, and put the foundation on now. Fragrance in your skincare or makeup products. look. Really simple but cute. I like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you're new and you enjoyed my content, don't forget you can always subscribe, ring the bell so you're notified of my future videos. Hit the like button if you liked it, leave a comment, let me know you were here. Do whatever you want. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.